Okay, today I'm going to set up a new cage for Bubbles and Pebbles. This is a new cage which is not very big, but it's okay because they spend around 8 to 9 hours outside the cage. Whenever we are at home, they are outside the cage only, so they are with us and they basically sleep inside the cage. This is a 2.5 feet by 1.5 feet by 1.5 feet cage, and their earlier cage was okay, you're dancing. The previous cage was 3 feet long and 2 feet wide and 1.5 feet in high. So that cage actually was a regular metal cage which we get in Indian markets. जो local markets में मिलते हैं, that type of normal, I don't know what they use, tin or something else. That's a regular metal cage, uncoated, और वो बहुत जल्दी rust पकड़ लेते हैं. That actually catches rust very soon. तो only within 6 months of usage थोड़ा थोड़ा rust आ गया था. What happened, Bubbles and Pebbles? You don't want to stay on your new cage? So actually, Bubbles and Pebbles have spent one night inside the cage, and they have also had some food inside the cage, so it's already a little dirty, but it hasn't been set up properly. Set up in the sense all the things that I put inside the cage for them have not been yet done. So this is a pull-out plastic tray, and I've just put some old kindergarten educational those charts that you get, and this is waterproof, so I can easily wash that, or I can simply put some newspaper, which I don't have right now. After the lockdown period, we haven't been keeping newspapers, so we have a dearth of newspaper. Abhi newspaper nahi hai, so I can't use it in the tray. That is why I'm using old educational charts which are waterproof inside this plastic tray, pull-out tray. And this plastic tray also, if I don't put anything also, I can just wash it, so it's okay. And it's easier for them. This cage is coated. It has a paint coating or something on iron. So it's a stronger cage actually. And because of this plastic or paint coating, it will not catch rust. So it will not be unsafe for the birds or for me when I try to clean the cage. What are you doing, Bubbles? You're dancing. You're dancing, you funny bird. Okay, Bubbles is in a good mood. She likes this new cage. Again, I'm mentioning I do not know the gender of both my birds. They can be both males, both females, one male, one female. I don't know who is what, but I call them both, I refer to them both as girls. So they are both she for me. Okay, and Bubbles likes the cage, and Pebbles is still getting used to the cage. She's not liking the idea of a new cage, but I really had to change the old cage because it was rusting and wasn't safe. Actually, can you do the head bobbing here in front of the camera? Huh, Bubbles? You got food on your face. So quickly I'll show you how I'm going to set up the cage fully. I already have few things. Sorry, Pebble, did you fall? I already have few things inside the cage. That is their favorite perch, which is really high up. So I don't know whether they'll be able to use that or not. That's the wooden perch. That's their favorite. There are two wooden dowel perches. One has fallen down, one is on top. And their favorite bead toy, wooden bead toy, which has been thoroughly washed, so that, and the bird's tails are there, so that they do not eat the paint. So it's safe actually because I've thoroughly washed out the paint from that toy. Now I'm going to take out one of the dowel perches that has fallen down, and I'm going to fix this ladder, wooden and bead ladder. This is their favorite. Both Bubbles and Pebbles love it. Yes, you love it. Yes, you love it. They simply love this, and they spend most of the time on this ladder. Whenever they're inside the cage, They both Bubbles and Pebbles, they will not leave the ladder. So they they really love this. So I have to put it back in the cage. And I also have another wooden toy, which is this one. It is a wood kebab for the birds. They do not play with it much, but they have already destroyed the outside bark. So this they played with a lot, but now they do not play with it much, but still they like sitting on it. Yes, 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 Bubbles. Oh, both of you are dancing. All right, don't fall. So these two things I'm going to put inside, and I'm going to see if I have any a place to put these rings inside, because Bubbles really likes them. I gave them to her. Pebbles really, she got intimidated. She got scared with this color, I don't know what. But Bubbles, who's scared of red colors, really liked it and started playing with it. So these rings actually came with the cage, these two rings. And I'm going to try and fit them inside if it's possible, because the cage is small and they sleep inside the cage only. So they do not play with their toys for a very long time, maybe 1 hour or so. So still, let's see what I can do. So I'll show you after I've set up the cage. So I have set up the cage and put all the accessories inside this cage. And now I'm going to put the final thing, which is a cuttle bone holder. This is the cuttlefish bone, and this is the cuttlefish bone holder. And Bubbles and Pebbles both like to chew on it, and it's very good for them. As we know, it provides calcium for them. So this is very essential in the bird cage. तो आपके पास अगर birds हो, any type of birds or parakeet, तो आपको ये cuttlefish bone रखना चाहिए inside the cage. This is a must. Some people say that they are good for breeding birds, but I have no intentions of breeding my birds, and I don't know what their gender is also. But I always put this cuttlefish bone inside the cage. And I had budgies. I also used to put this inside the cage all the time. So this is what I'm going to put it now. Okay, the cage is finally all set up, and I'll show you once from inside the cage. Here are the plastic rings that came with the cage. This is the wooden bead toy. Bubbles and Pebbles love them. This is their favorite wooden porch. And this is one wooden kebab for birds. This is their favorite wooden ladder, and look who's come inside. Pebbles has come inside the cage. She wants to play, I guess. And you're dancing. Yes, you're dancing. Very good. Both of you dance a lot. And both my birds are very happy somehow, and they are dancing a lot. And this is the cuttlefish bone hanger. Oops, careful, careful, Pebbles. And that's it. And now I'm just gonna put a plastic bowl scheme, and they were supposed to be fit right at the bottom of the cage. आपको कभी केज के बॉटम में खाना नहीं देना चाहिए. You should never put any kind of food or water at the bottom of the cage, which is very harmful because the birds poop in it. So I am not going to use the plastic feeder bowls, because plastic is anyways harmful. And so I use these kind of, I've already shown this steel bowls. They have been having their breakfast, their vegetable chop. So it's a little dirty right now because they've been having it. So I'm putting this same, okay, you want to have? You want to have? So I'm just putting this food bowl inside, because sometimes they have their food inside the cage, sometimes outside, but most of the time they are out. And this is the water, and it has some vitamin drops in it, so I'm not changing the water right now. So this is all, it's all set. And Pebbles has gone inside the cage and finishing her second breakfast. You want to go inside too? Yeah. So my birds are pretty happy. The doors will remain open like that, So my birds can easily go inside the cage, do their thing, and come outside. So that's all about it. Thanks for watching.